Forget traditional jobs. You're about to learn how to turn your favorite hobby, listening to music, into an actual income stream. This isn't just about earning pocket change, it's about discovering a unique, fun way to make money. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you never miss out on new money-making tips and tricks. Now, let's explore how you can get paid just for listening to music. Why music listening pays the music industry is undergoing a transformation like never before. With technology and trends reshaping how music is created, shared, and consumed, artists, producers, and streaming platforms are eager for real-time feedback from listeners. This is where your role becomes incredibly valuable. By simply listening to songs, providing reviews, or rating tracks, you not only influence the future of music but also earn money while doing something you love. Whether you're a casual listener or a dedicated music enthusiast, your opinions matter and can help shape the evolving soundscape of the industry. To make it even more exciting, we've rounded up the top platforms where your passion for music can turn into a rewarding side hustle. So, get ready to dive into the rhythm of opportunity and start earning from your love for tunes. 1. SoundCampaign. What it is? SoundCampaign is similar to Playlist Push. It allows curators to review songs and receive payments directly from independent artists looking to grow their audience. How it works? Sign up on the platform and link your Spotify account. Get matched with songs that align with your playlist's theme. Provide detailed feedback about the tracks you listen to. Earnings. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $15 per song, depending on your playlist's reach and the quality of your feedback. Tips. Write thoughtful reviews. Artists value detailed constructive criticism. Regularly update your playlist to keep them fresh and engaging. 2. Playlist Push. What it is? Playlist Push is a game changer in the music industry, bridging the gap between independent artists and playlist curators on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Deezer. This platform empowers artists to reach a wider audience by getting their music featured on curated playlists. Here's how it works. Independent artists pay for their tracks to be reviewed by curators, who manage popular playlists with significant follower counts. These reviews can lead to the songs being added to playlists, offering artists a chance to boost their exposure and grow their fan base. For curators, Playlist Push provides an opportunity to discover fresh talent, influence music trends, and even earn money for their efforts. It's a win-win for artists looking to get noticed and curators who love discovering and sharing new music. How it works? Sign up as a curator to gain access to opportunities for reviewing and adding tracks to playlists. As a curator, you'll be able to build your reputation, discover new music, and potentially collaborate with artists and other curators. This also allows you to influence which tracks get featured, helping to grow your playlist's visibility and credibility. To get your Spotify playlist reviewed, it's important to have a solid and engaged following, typically at least 1,000 real followers. This shows playlist curators that your content is gaining attention and has the potential to reach more listeners. Focus on building an active, interested audience through social media and collaborations. Once you've hit the 1,000 follower mark, you'll have a better chance of getting your playlist noticed and reviewed. Review songs that fit the genre of your playlist. If you come across a track that you enjoy and think it complements the vibe of your playlist, go ahead and add it. This keeps your playlist cohesive and ensures the songs align with the overall theme, making it more appealing to listeners who share similar music tastes. Earnings. You can make up to $50 per song review. The more followers and engagement your playlist has, the higher your earning potential. Tips. Focus on niche genres with dedicated listeners. Promote your playlists on social media to grow your following. 3. Current Rewards. What it is? Current Rewards is an app that rewards users for streaming music. With over 100,000 radio stations, you'll always find something to match your taste. How it works? Download the app and start streaming music. Earn points for every minute you listen. Boost your earnings by completing additional tasks like watching ads, taking surveys, or inviting friends. Earnings. Points can be redeemed for PayPal cash, gift cards, or physical products. On average, you can earn up to $600 per year if you're consistent. Tips. Use the app during your downtime, like while commuting or working out. Set reminders to claim bonus points and rewards. 4. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐸. What it is? 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐸 is a platform where emerging artists pay listeners to review their songs. You'll get a chance to discover new talent while earning money. How it works? Sign up and create a profile with your music preferences. Receive song recommendations tailored to your tastes. Listen to tracks and provide feedback. Earnings. For every track you review, you earn 10 cents to 50 cents. While it might not seem like much, it adds up if you're consistent. Tips: check the platform daily for new opportunities. Be honest but constructive in your feedback. 5. Radio Earn. What it is, Radio Earn allows users to make money by listening to online radio stations. It's a passive way to earn while enjoying your favorite tunes. How it works: register on the platform. Stream music from their partner radio stations. Earn points for every 15 minutes of listening. Earnings: points can be converted to PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. While earnings vary, active users can make up to $30 a month. Tips: let the radio play in the background while working or studying. Use multiple devices to maximize your earnings. 6. Hit Predictor. What it is, Hit Predictor lets you shape the future of music by rating unreleased songs. Your feedback helps determine which tracks make it big. How it works: create an account and start rating songs. Provide a score and brief feedback for each track. Earnings: you earn points for every song you rate, which can be redeemed for Amazon gift cards or other rewards. Tips: be consistent. The more songs you rate, the more you earn. Join weekly contests to win bonus points. 7. Research.fm. What it is, Research.fm is a platform that gathers listener opinions on music to help radio stations refine their playlists. How it works: participate in surveys sent via email. Rate and review songs featured in the surveys. Earnings: you're rewarded with Amazon gift cards for each survey you complete. Payouts range from $5 to $20, depending on the survey's length. Tips: respond to survey invites quickly. Spots fill up fast. Opt into notifications to never miss an opportunity. 8. WeLocalize. What it is, WeLocalize offers music transcription gigs, where you're paid to transcribe song lyrics accurately. How it works: sign up and browse available projects. Listen to songs and type out the lyrics. Earnings: depending on the complexity of the project, you can earn $4 to $20 per transcription. Experienced transcribers often secure higher-paying tasks. Tips: use tools like foot pedals or transcription software to speed up your work. Focus on genres you're familiar with for better accuracy. Tips for maximizing earnings: to make the most out of these platforms, follow these strategies. Diversify. Don't rely on one platform. Use multiple sites to increase your income streams. Set goals. Dedicate specific hours each day to listening and reviewing music. Engage consistently. Regular activity can lead to more opportunities and higher earnings. Leverage social media. Promote your playlists and reviews to grow your influence. Be honest. Genuine feedback is valued and can lead to repeat opportunities. Earning money by listening to music is not only possible but also incredibly enjoyable. It's a great way to make extra cash while discovering new artists and genres. While it won't replace a full-time income, it's a fun side hustle for music lovers. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment about which platform you're excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our money-making tips. Happy listening and earning!